It's better to be single than to stuck in the wrong relationship. Other people, their relationships lasted because was the one who is tolerating all those nonsense. She knows that her boyfriend doesn't calling her. You are always calling your boyfriend. If you text your boyfriend, can take 2 days or 3 days to reply that message, and you are tolerating all those things. That's why your relationship lasts. But when you stop tolerating all those things, you will see that your relationship will end because your boyfriend or your girlfriend doesn't care about you. So it's better to be single than to stuck in the wrong relationship, because sometimes when you are stuck in the wrong relationship, you are blocking for other people. They want you, other boys, they want you out there, and maybe they think we have got a boyfriend, but that boyfriend doesn't take care of you, doesn't care about you or to love you. He have got his girlfriend he loved. So sometimes don't stuck in the wrong relationship. You are the one who are putting more effort. That person doesn't put his effort. Either it's Valentine. Nowadays, women are buying presents for men. You are pushing a person who doesn't care about you. So sometimes don't waste your time. When you stop doing all those things to your person, to be patient, you are ask your boyfriend why you don't answer my message. 2 days or a week, your message on WhatsApp doesn't being responded.